Hello, Ryan. How are you, Ryan? Okay. Now your speaker is better now.
Okay.
So you got any questions now for maths?
I don't
In
know.
fact, you
I still don't know how to do the question. Last week question.
last week, Anna. Okay, I'm gonna then maybe will be good for you to okay. We go through some of them. I'm gonna go through some easier stuff lah. Maybe I'll start now. Let the others join in. This one is the earlier version. Hold on. Where is it? Okay. Okay, we try this one first. Can you try? Now they want us to solve. This is not simultaneous equation. This is just solving the thing. Let us try this one first. So how to do this? You can also give this a base of 3, up to you. Then both can share a similar fraction. Okay, wait, hold on now. Right now, let me just. Okay, come. Now, for this one now. Okay, Shafi, you do this question first, Shafi. You do an exercise book, but I'm going through with Ryan. Okay. Okay. So now down here, this is actually Ryan over 1. Like any number, let's say number 5. This 5 is the same as the 5 over 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5, right? Any number you can make it to be divided by 1. Now, why do I want to make it divided by 1? Because I want to combine it. I want it to have the same denominator. So I times this by 3, I times this by 3. So I get x over 3 plus 3x over 3 equals to 4. If we cancel, the 3 cancel 3, we get x, same thing. It's actually the same thing. So now, what I'm doing now, I'm making both of them have the same denominator. Right? So now I have the same denominator. I can let them share the denominator like that. X plus 3x. I can now add them up. Can see now. So how is x plus 3x, 4x? 4x over 3 equals to 4. Can see now? So now how to get rid of the 3? Very simple. You can use, okay, we can just times by 3 here. You can see it cancel. But if you times on the left side, you must also times on the right side. Then it's fair. So you get 4x equals to 12. X equals to 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. How is it okay? Now all this must not be difficult for you. No, you must make sure you see. You got to practice lah. So how to practice? You just take this question again, your original question, Ryan, and you try it by yourself. But you're not going to master it if you only do one time only. Not going to master. Shafi, you didn't call a cousin? Shafi, I don't care about cousin. Okay, apa ni cousin ni? See, turn off the video there. I just, let me see. Where is the... Okay, now we do the next one now. You try the next one. Right. Okay, I'm going to ask cousin. Shafi, do you get the answer for A? What's the answer? 3. You get 3? Yes. Okay, try this one. Tak ada, aku rasa. Insyira is here. Okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Insyira, Insyira, we are doing question B. Insyira, we are doing question B. Yeah. Do question B. See whether you remember. Okay, this session is to help you remember some of the old stuff. Okay, just hold on. Let me see. Ryan, can I see Ryan? Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, let me check. Okay, Insyira, here's the thing now. One moment, Ryan. One moment. I'm now gonna look at this one. Okay, good. First step is good. Times 2, good. Okay, then times 4, good. Your last part, Ryan, you already in front of the goal. Instead of shooting the goal, you shoot outside the goal post lah. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, Ryan. 6 divided by 3. Come on. You're gonna score the goal. Mr. Shafi'i, what's your answer? Have you gotten the answer? You know how to do not? Garuk kepala macam no. Okay. Hey, cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Do you know how to do? Shafi, I cannot hear you lah. Can you all hear Shafi? Cannot hear you. Your speaker, something wrong. Okay, but you know how to do thumbs up. You know how to. What's your answer? What's your answer? 3. Answer is 2, no? Which one? The first one or this one? First one. This one you do already. This one. This one cannot be 3 lah. 3. 3, then you show me your working in a moment. Insyira can 2. Okay. Insyira can do. Insyira. No. Okay. So we have to go step by step, so that everyone we are all journeying together. Okay. So Insyira, x over 2 plus x over 4 equals to 6, if I'm not mistaken. So make this the same denominator, Insyira. Times by 2. Sama times by 2. So get 2x over 4 plus x over 4 equals to 6. Now you can combine under the same denominator. Inchi. 2x plus 2x is 3x equals to 6. Now how to get rid of the 4, Inchi? You times by 4 here lah. When you times 4 on the left side, you must also times 4 on the right side. Okay, so you get 8. Hold on. Did I copy the question correctly? Ryan, you forgot you times 4, tapi there's no result. 6 times 4 is 24. How come yours is just 6? Okay, please. I was thinking, how come mark you correct? There I see. So, Mr. Shafi'i, your answer 2 is wrong also. I want to see your working, Shafi'i. I see you say 2, you say 2. This guy, what is he doing? 3x now equals to 24. So what is x? 24 divided by 3, you get 8. Shafi'i, 3 and 2 are wrong answers. Can I see your answer, Mr. Shafi'i? Can I see your working, please? Show me your working. Aku tak buat working pakai calculator. You know how to do not? Don't be shy to say you do know, no. You do know how to do not, Shafi'i? Insyira, you understand? Understand? Okay, we try the next one. Down here, answer is 8. You are checking my work, but I want to check your work. Okay, never mind. After this, you check your work. Later, you show me. You be the first one to tell me the answer. Because sometimes students pretend they know. Hey, don't gengsi. We don't care whether you know or don't know. We want you to know. Okay, you try C and D. Okay, you try C first, and then after that, you go to D. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Be careful, Ryan. You can dribble in front of the goalpost, but This is not from the book, lah. Mr. Shafi, is not from the thing book. It's from the other book. This one, workbook. I don't think you're using, right? Anyone got answer? Please tell me what's the answer. You can show me also. Okay, just a moment, just one. Oh, Ryan, very fast, Ryan. Okay, thank you very much, Ryan. So you got answer for X, Ryan. Very big number. It looks correct. Congratulations. Try the next one, Ryan. The D. Okay. You must build up your confidence like this. I'm telling you, maths is easy. It's not tough. It's not tough. Inchi. What's your answer, Inchi? See?
I got X is 45.
Okay. Thank you very much. What about Shafi? Do you get X equals 45? X equals 45? No. What do you get?
X equals to 3.
X equals to 3. Okay, come. We're going to go to this one first. Let us see whether you're right or not. Okay, just double check, okay? Double check 2x. I will maximize the screen in a moment. Let us see, yeah. Ryan, it looks all right, but it looks correct. But let me just double check in case I missed out. Okay, here we go. Inshira, so watch, yeah. So you times by 5, you times by 3, you times by 3, you times by 5. So this is 10x over 15 minus 9x over 15 equals to 3. Then you can put it all under 1. 10x minus 9x is x equals to 3. Okay, you times by 15 on this side to cancel. You also times 15 on this side. X equals to 45. Are we okay, Shafi? Does it make sense? You show me your working. Show me your working. Let me check where you get your mistake. All right. So Inshi and hold on. Wait. Don't. Hold on. Okay. Thank you very much. I need to check everyone's work because that is when we know whether you really know or don't know. Okay, Shafi, this is your work, right? Let us check now where is wrong. You all can also check where Shafi went wrong. So times 5, correct? So this one is correct, what? Okay, now Shafi, how do you get rid of 15? Oh yeah, 1x, then this one over 15, you know. It's still over 15. You must get rid of 15 and you are saying this, it means x over 15 is equal to 3, but x is not equal to 3. You must get rid of the 15. Now how do you get rid of 15? You times by 15 now. Once you times by 15 down here, you can cancel, right? Cancel. But if you times on the left side, you must also times on the right side. Right? So it becomes 45. You get it? You understand? Huh? Okay. All right. Congratulations to those who got it correct. Congratulations. Well done. Please try question D. Then. Inshira, okay now? Inshira, why are you crying and all? You used to be a happier girl. Now I see you are full of stress as if you have a lot of responsibilities. Are you taking care of your younger brothers and sisters? Yeah. No. You look macam, very stressed and whatnot. Nah. Ryan, this one. Never mind. You do first. Huh? D is a little bit different. Shira, you start for D. Why don't you make the denominator the same? Also, make the denominator the same. That means the top equals to the top. Anyone who have completed can show me, please. Oh, you finished here? Wait. Hold on now. Okay, show me. Thank you very much. Anyone else? Ryan, you completed it? Not yet. Let me just check. I will check. I'll check book answer first. That is slightly easier to check. I do not know which page it is.
Yeah. Teacher, I think I got it wrong.
Okay, then you correct it. Correct it. Inshi, you done it? Inshira, you done? No, not yet. Smile more, like Inshira. Must smile. No, seriously, must smile more. Then you feel happier. Okay? Laugh a lot. Yeah, of course, not by yourself. And people think you're not happy. But you seem to, you know how to do, Inshira? Don't know. What about Ryan? Can do? Or we want to do together? Ryan, can you see what you're doing, Ryan? Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, Ryan, show me. Hold on. Okay, I'm now gonna see both Ryan one. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Let us see one by one. Okay, this one Ryan first lah. Because good. You can cancel off this one. That means you understand. All right, you make it 21. You can cancel off. Oh, then you times 21. Okay, you can, yeah. Okay, well done. You can cancel. So this one is times 3. You get 15x what? Plus 2. I thought you times already. Down here 5x you must times 3. The whole thing must times 3, right? You see down here. You must remember bottom you times 3, top also you must times 3. So this is down here, you must times 3 like that. This is 5x must times 3, you get 15x. 2 times 3, you get 6. This one same thing also. The whole thing you must times. Okay, I will show you on the board. Okay, I will show you on the board. Okay. So now you must follow step by step. Okay, it's not difficult. It's quite easy actually. Once you get the hang of it, it is chicken. 5x plus 2 over 7 equals to 2x minus 4 over 3. Okay, I hope you can see. Now what I'm going to do, I make it 21 times 7. This whole thing must times 7. I put bracket and put it down here. And then this one a bracket, this one times 3, right? The whole thing becomes like that. So this one becomes over 21. How many? 3 times 5, 15x. 3 times 2, 6. Must get it, this part. Ryan, okay not? This part, you understand, Ryan? The whole thing must times, not only the back part. Then this one, same thing now, times 7. So in Shira, 7 times 2, 14x. 7 times 4, 28 over 21. And Ryan says, look, you can cancel the 21. How to cancel? Times by 21, times also by 21. Cancel. No more. Inshira, okay not Inshira? You understand or not? Then 15x plus 6 is equals to 14x minus 28. Bring the 14x over. 15x minus 14x plus 6, right, is equals to minus 28. Now bring the minus 6 plus 6 over, it becomes minus 6. Minus 28 minus 6 equals to 15x minus 14x. X equals to minus 34. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi'i. Your answer is correct. Believe in yourself, Shafi'i. Yeah. Your answer is correct. Let me see. Correct, eh? I think it should be okay. So we move on to the next one. Now these are questions you must be able to do, okay? Must be able to, because they will give you marks now. And I want you to know that this is actually, everything has its solution step by step. Any problem you have, there's actually a solution that it goes step 1, step 2, step 3. If you use it, you will be able to succeed. You say like what? Many things, many things. Your problem, your family, if you have family problem, actually there's a certain way for you to solve it. To do good things, bad things, same thing, there is a way. You just need to find it now. Okay, we try now the next one. E. Clue. This minus 3, put it over 1, then change it later over 2, so that you can combine it here. All right, you must do this one first. Do the minus 3, put minus 3 over 1 first. Then times 2, then you combine it down here. And then you go by the earlier step. You try. Shira, which part you don't understand? Shira, which part you don't understand or you understand? You understand? Ryan, okay, Ryan?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Shafi, I don't need to ask, he's from Express. But it does feel good as now you got answer and you beat him, you see. Don't mind, Shafi. You are going to be taken as the target benchmark. Shafi, you're done. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me. Shafi. What's your final answer, Shafi? X equals to what? I cannot see the last part.
Negative 47.
Negative 57. Okay.
40.
Let's wait for the rest. Maybe you try the next question, Shafi. You try F. Yours negative 47, is it? 47. Okay, well done. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi'i. All right, Ryan, got it? Okay, what about Inshira? Are you okay? Can do or cannot do? Still doing. If not, you want me to show? You're still doing, is it? Still doing that you do? Crying. Okay. Right? Then can I see what you have done so far? You show me what you have done. Okay, thank you. Oh, who is that? That is I don't know. What's your answer? 7. All right. Okay, we go through this one first. We go through this one first. Okay. So Inshira and Ryan, what do we do first? We put this over 1. Times this by 2, times this by 2. You get x minus 3 minus 6. This is over 2 over 2. Why? Because 3 times 2 is 6. Then we can combine x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. You owe $3, you owe $6, you owe $9. Is equals to 3x plus 1 over 5. Now, you want to make it into times 2 times 5. You can make it 10. So you times 2 here, down here, you bracket up, you must times 2. Now here you times 5, you bracket it up, you must times 5. Then later on, you can cancel times 10, times 10. Later you can cancel all this number here. So this is equal to this. 5 times x, 5x. Minus 5 times 9, 45. 2 times 3, 6x. 2 times 1, 2. So I want to make it what? I want to make to find out what is x. Normally I'll bring over there, but if I bring 6x over there, it becomes 5x minus 6x, become minus x. So I bring this one over here. I get 6x minus 5x plus 2 equals to negative 45. Now I bring down here, bring the other side. Plus 2 become negative 2. Negative 47 equals to 6x minus 5x is x. X is equals to negative 47. Okay. The next one, I've got to check first for Mr. But are you okay? You're okay to get it? Let us see now. Which part, where you made your mistake. Let's see. Hold on. Maybe that one is a different one. Okay, never mind. We move on. We move on to another one. We move on. Okay, down here. Now it gets more complex. More complex. And this is what page is it? No page. Chapter 1. Okay, but anyway, you try to do this one now. How to do? You try first. You try first. You try first. Hold on. Which page is this? 13, okay. So 7 is correct, Mr. Shafi, for the earlier question. Congratulations. So this one now. Okay, the book says, no, let's see what book says is 10 or something. Minus 10. Okay, we're going to go through. Shafi, you got your answer for question C? Can do? Can do, Shafi?
Which question?
3A. This one. Can do? Cannot. Inshira can do? Inshira can do? I don't know. I'm looking at Inshira. I think she's just looking like a shock girl. Why is she shocked? I'm just asking simple. Okay, I will show you now. Huh? Let me show you. Okay, because sometimes it's taking too long. Maybe you're stuck somewhere. So you have a look. Huh? I will expand in a moment. So I will show you another method of getting rid of the denominator. Okay, what can we do to get rid of the denominator? Well, actually, it's the same thing. I just times this by x. No more x. But I have to times this by x also. So becomes what? This one here becomes 4x over x plus 2 equals to 5. Do you understand what's happening? I want to get rid of this denominator. I times this by x. Cancel. If I times the right side by x, I must also times the left side by x. So now become 4x. Can see na? Inchi can see na? Inchi. Okay. Now what about the next one now? Now I want to get rid of this lah. I don't like that. I don't want to have denominator. So I times this by x plus 2. Cancel. I must also times this x plus 2. And see what has happened? Now you have no more denominator. 4x is equals to 5x plus 2. We need to expand. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 2, 10 plus 10. 4x equals to 5x plus 10. Okay, then what to do? I bring the 4x over. I bring the 10 over that side. I bring 10 over the side, become minus 10. 4x becomes 5x minus 4x. 4x becomes minus 4x. Minus, I get x. X equals to negative 10. How? Again, what did we do? First, we times by x times by x. Then after we times by x plus 2. We cancel. Must also times this by x plus 2. Then we expand this thing. And then we shift. Brian, okay? No, okay. So now, sorry, confusing.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't understand. Okay, go. So now we start now from the beginning. It's good. You don't understand, must say you don't understand. Otherwise, You move on and then we assume everyone understands. Just to. Okay. Remember not just now you had something like that, 21, something over 21, something over 21. Let's say x over 21, 7 over 20. Then after you times by 21 here, you get rid of this. Remember, you times by 21 here, you get rid of this. Remember not? You did something else. Can you remember? You cannot remember. Huh? You cannot remember? Okay, I've got to check now. Sure not? Just a while ago, you remember not? You remember or don't remember? Can't remember. Okay, the point is this lah. I show you two methods. That was one method. Another method I told you before is called the seesaw method. Maybe you might understand the seesaw method better. You can push the x up here. You can push this bottom one up here. So you just push it up. Now here it becomes 4 times x. You push it up down here, 4 times x. You push this whole thing up, become 5x plus 2. This is the shortcut method actually. But I do not know whether you understand this, so I do slow motion as now. Again, I'm pushing up, it's like a seesaw here. I can push up, I can push this down. Let us try that. Let us try this one, see. Half is equals to 3 over 6. This is true, right? 3 over 6 is half lah. We can divide by 3, get half. Now let's say now I push this up. Means 1 times 6. And I push this up, which means 2 times 3. It's true, 1 times 6 is equal to 2 times 3. It's true. Can you see now? But never mind, can we do slow motion? Slow motion will help you understand. Okay, so now slow-mo. I want to get rid of this x. I times this side by x. If I times the right side by x, I must also times the left side by x. This one you okay, right? So cancel equals to 5. Down here when you times the x, it goes to the top, you know. It doesn't go to the bottom. So 4 times x is 4x over x plus 2. Now your equation is like that. So now we need to times this also by x plus 2. Why times that? I want to cancel the whole thing out. So I times by bracket x plus 2. Can cancel now. Must also times here by x plus 2. So this one now left with 4x equals to 5x plus 10. You okay down here, son, or lost? Honest?
Lost
Or sleep? Lost a little bit. This one okay or lost?
Okay.
Okay. So if you understand this one, I'm multiplying this to get rid of the denominator. I multiply by x, you get rid of the denominator. Down here, I multiply by x. When you times this by x, okay, we see down here, once you times by x, what does it mean? It means the top times top lah, because it's x over 1. Top times top is 4x lah. 4x over x minus x plus 2. So now the equation is like this. Yeah, rub it off. This part first you see, you understand, right? So now cancel left 5. This one got 4x over x plus 2. Now I have this denominator. I want to get rid of it also. What to do? I times the same number. What is the same number? I just copy out x plus 2. I times this side. And I times the left side. I must also times the right side. This one you understand so far?
Yes.
So I can cancel. No more denominator here. 4x equals to 5x plus 2. I expand. Times 5. 5x. Times 2 plus 10. 5 times 2, 10 equals to 4x. Can get it?
Yes. Right.
So I can. So now this 4 now I bring over here lah. This 10 I bring over there. 10 bring over become minus 10. 4x I bring over becomes minus 4x. 5x minus 4x is x. X equals to negative 10. Done. Okay, we try the next one. We try. Inshi, where are you? Inshira is gone. Cousin, where's Inshira? You didn't take care of her. She looked very sad, as if she got so many problems. Help her with her problems. See, what should I help her?
Say she got network problem.
Sorry, what?
She say she got network problem.
Network problem. Okay. Oh, so I thought it's personal problem. Okay, never mind. Network problem. We try the next one down here. So Ryan down here later, what you need to do is you need to times the left side by x minus 2. You bracket it up. Right? X minus 2. Where is it? X minus 2. And then you must do the same to the right side times by x minus 2 also lah. Then you get rid of this denominator. Then after that, you must times by 3x plus minus 1, both sides. Then you can get rid. Okay, come on, you try. You guys should try. Shafi, what's your answer? Haven't yet. Inshira, we are doing question B. Welcome back.
Okay.
Try your best. You can do it. What's your answer, Shafi?
I got 4/9.
Okay, the book says its answer is equal to x equals to minus 5.5. Hold on now. Minus 5.5. Does anyone got minus 5.5? Ryan, you get minus 5.5? Okay, we will give you another 3 minutes more because inshallah just starting it. So, oh wait, Ryan. Okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, Ryan, hold on. Okay, thank you, Ryan. Let us look at your answer now. Is this one, right? Correct, eh? Okay. So good. You bring over, it's equal to that. Correct, well done. But you must write it as one. Write it like that. So this one now, okay, you can remove this one here.
Okay, that's not my
Equals,
answer.
not yours, sir.
Yeah, not mine.
Whose is this? Oh, sorry. Wait, wait. Hold on. Okay, show me one more time. Hold on. Okay, thank you. I'm now going to see now is this one. This is the one?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's see. Yeah. So, okay, good. So, yeah, similar stuff here. You put the equal sign here. Bring this one, write it over here. 7. Make the equation be like that. Minus 2. Don't do 1. Don't play alone now here. Must be something equals to something. So now you expand, you get 3, 9x minus 3 good equals to 7x minus 14. So now down here, same thing. This thing now bring it up here. Okay, so 7x minus 14. So you are ready on the way of solving it already. Okay, on the way of solving it. So let's see. Your answer is minus 5.5. Congratulations. Hey, you got it, but yours is plus.
Yeah,
They say minus. Let us see. Where is it? You bring. Okay, down here they say there's no equal sign. I do not know how. You bring how minus set. This is 7. This is.
Take 9 minus by 7.
So you bring it over there. Okay. 9 minus 7 is 2x. Good. Well done. Then you bring this over now. Is minus. This is minus 14, you know. So you minus 14. And then plus 3 here. You have only $3. You utang $14. You pay the $3. You still utang $11. Okay, if you do not know how to do this, take bigger number minus smaller number. 14 minus 3, you get 11. If the bigger number has a minus sign, put a minus sign. Okay? If you have now like this, let's say you also have 5 minus 15. Alamak, bigger, the negative number is bigger. Just take bigger number minus smaller number. You get 10, correct? If the bigger number has minus, put a minus. Okay? Easy, yeah? So now you got it now. You just need to put a minus only. Congratulations to Mr. Ryan. Well done. Shafi can get Shafi. You can get minus 5.5.5. Why you look so sad, Shafi? Macam Ryan, you made him sad, Ryan. Inchi lah. Can you get it? Minus 5.5.
Yes.
You can get. Really? Are you saying it to get rid of me? Get rid of me.
No.
Teruk sangat. Okay, tak apa. Never mind. We now do the next one. Which one? We do the next one. Okay, you try lah. If you finish this one, see you do the D. Okay, so next week we will revise simultaneous equations also. This one is not yet simultaneous equation. I went a little bit fast. Now I'm backtracking to revise and fix. Okay, you can ace mathematics. Ryan, you see you can do tough questions, Ryan. You just need to put in a little more effort for sure. But it's all up to you guys. Shafi, you can ace maths if you want to. How much you get for maths? Do you pass not last year?
Yes.
How much you get?
50.
50 what exactly? Cukup makan. Try to get 75 lah. Okay, get 75. And remember to teach your sister, your poor sister, Shafia. Ask your adik, did abang teach? I say no, did not. Tolonglah dia. And we are doing question C, yeah? Are you okay, Inshi?
What is it?
Are you? Oh, okay, no problem. You do what you can. I can jump Aninka in the back. This one is a fraction. They say answer is a fraction. She gone again.
So I got 6.
Yeah, what do you get?
6.
6. Can I see your working? Okay, just a moment. Thank you. This is the one, right? Hold on. This is the one?
No.
Correct, eh?
Wrong.
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 Wrong. 6 are correct, Your answer is 6, right?
This is the previous question.
Previous question. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. One. No. I show again. Hold on. Thank you. This one, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's analyze now. So good, you bring this over there. Well done. This one down here, you cannot play seesaw with 2 fulcrum. You know fulcrum, There's like down here, the triangle down here, you play seesaw like that, okay. Tapi you go and fix one more down here. How to play? Cannot cancel this one. All this equal sign cancel. Only one equal sign per equation per line, So you play seesaw up and down like that, right? So this one go up there, well done. This one go up there, well done. 2 times 4 minus 8, correct. Mister, look at this, mister. Minus times minus, mister. Must be plus lah. This is the problem. You must be careful. 5 times 2, 10. This one is correct. Plus and minus plus, negative is correct. Plus, minus get negative. So this one thing will cut out the whole thing and everything go haywire. Because when you bring this over, is plus. You are supposed to get 7x. You bring this over, you bring the minus 8 become plus 8 lah. But how come you bring like that? Okay, this one just plus 8 is lah, straight. Okay, 18, correct. So 18 over 7 is the thing. But 18 over 7 is not correct. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Hold on. Something is wrong. The book says the answer is minus 4/5. Shafi, you got minus 4/5?
For which question?
Question D.
I haven't do D.
Okay. You did E, is it?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we look again. Hold on. 5 times x, 5x, correct. Minus. You bring over, become plus. 7x is correct, right? What am I missing? I'm missing something. Let's see. 5 times 2 minus x, okay, correct. Oh, down here there's minus. Hey, mister, there's a minus. Okay, there's minus. You put minus. So minus 8, correct. Minus 2 plus 2x. Okay. 7x. Okay, 7x is correct. 18 is correct. So 18 divided by 7. You get 2, 4, 7. Your answer is 2, 4, 7. Okay, later I'll do on the board to see whether, unless you copy the question wrongly. Let me just see. Hold on. Okay, we stop share first. Did you copy the question wrongly? Minus 8 plus 2x. Okay, good. 10 minus 5x. Sorry. Let me have a look. Okay, I think your answer is correct. But I mean, the latest one I showed you is correct. The minus 247. The answer key might be wrong. So Shafi can do question D. Cannot, I'll show. Inshira can do question D.
I'm still doing.
Still doing. Okay, then you all do. And then Ryan, you move on to the next one, Ryan. Now you're too advanced for us really. Not bad, Ryan. Steady lah. Oh, this one like that. Can also, Ryan. This one, the denominator same, just combine them. Okay. Inshira, where are you, Inshira?
Yeah, I take
I'm
water.
here.
Yeah, here. Take. Inshira, can you solve question number D?
Yes.
What's your answer? Dia tak ada answer. You got a different answer, Shafi?
I got 2.
You got 2. Can I have a look at yours? Come, you show me yours. Mana? Shafi, I cannot see you. Okay. You raise slightly higher. Stop. Okay, let me just see. Let me just see now. This is now okay. Thank you. This is now Shafi's one. Let us look through Shafi's one. Okay, you all can see Shafi's one right now. So you brought
Uh,
5.
not mine.
Why? Are you okay? You found
This
your
one not my one.
not yours.
This one not my one.
This is you
Yeah.
behind it. It's not
No,
you.
it's not me.
Are you?
Yeah, it's not
It's my
me.
one.
Oh no, sorry. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong thing and it shows another thing. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna try. Oh, they show the wrong one. I'm so sorry. Okay. We will try again. Yeah, this one, right? I was looking at this actually, but I pressed the wrong photo. Okay. This one is yours, right? This is you behind. Afi, is it? Okay. Times 2. Okay, good. This one now is correct lah. Okay. 5. This one's correct. So get 10. 5 times 2, 10. Minus 5x. Okay, correct. Then you bring up this one. 2 minus x. How come ini 2 minus x, ini 2 minus x You are using seesaw method, right? Seesaw method, you take this 4 minus x, you push up here. You take 2 minus x, you push up here. Are you okay, Shafi? You understand what I'm saying? You know your mistake, Shafi? You know your mistake, Yeah. So this is okay. Inshira, what about you, Inshira? We're waiting for you. Can you solve? Have you solved? What's your answer? If not, I'll just show the answer like no one. Can I just show it? Okay, never mind. You look.
It's 9.
Your answer is 9. Okay. Please look at all these answers. Now it's not 9. Okay, we are gonna go through this now. Look, Okay. So this is the question. 5 4 minus x equals to minus 2 over 2 minus x. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Very simple. I was telling Shafi, Ryan and all, we can push it up. If you want to times by 4 minus x, no problem. But you can push it up straight. Okay, so in this, I think if I push up, you don't feel confused. This is shortcut. But if you want me to do long cut, I'll do long cut. That means this one, I push up here, it becomes minus 2, 4 minus x is being multiplied. This one down here, I push it up here, it becomes 5, 2 minus x. This is actually shortcut. Why shortcut? Okay, if you do the long cut, you'll find you get the same thing. So now what happens? 5 times 2, 10 minus 5x equals to minus 8 plus 2x. So you bring the 5x over here, 5 minus 5x become plus 5x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 7x minus 8 equals to 10. Bring the minus 8 over there, 10 plus 8 minus becomes plus, so 7x equals to 18. X equals to 18 divided by 7, which is equals to 247. Okay? Are you all right? Okay, I hope you're okay. We do the very last question. Inshallah. If you are this one, number 4. Number 4. Remember they are already same denominator. You don't need to times for this one. Ryan, are you okay, Ryan?
Yes.
Ryan, you have become a very serious guy, right? Ryan, I know. Do you realize that?
No.
No. Okay. Now I'm wondering what will, what's your brother's name? What?
Righty.
Raidi will be. Raidi is like, no, very full of energy and all. I'm just wondering what he'll be in Sec2.
I got -7.
-7. Congrats. Just 1.3. -7. I don't think this is answer is 6. In fact, just now the answer was correct. 247 is correct in the book. I was looking at the wrong question. So sorry. 247 is correct just now, but this one they say it's not a negative number, it's a positive integer. Can I see your working? Show me your working lah. Let me see. Okay, thank you. Come, let's analyze together lah. Okay, we analyze together. Can you see your working? Okay, now. So okay. Then what do you do? Oh, you do very complex lah. So you don't need to times, you know why? Because it's the same that thing. This one is the same as this. You can just combine them. 8x minus 9 over 2x plus 1. Correct. Okay, so now let us do it this way. Okay, down here now you can combine it after that. 8x. Sorry ya. Ada mana? 8x minus 9 over 2x plus 1. So now you have is equals to 3. Okay, so you can remove this one. And then what do? You can push this whole up to the 3 side, or you can times by 2x plus 1. Why you times by 2x plus 1? You want to cancel the whole denominator. Then you must also do the same down here, 2x plus 1. You get it? So now, okay, that's your error lah. So you try. Inshira, you got answer, Inshira? Ryan, you got answer? Oh, Ryan got answer. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Behind a little, Ryan. Okay, thank you. Hold on, let me just see. Okay. So Ryan, I'm going to show you yours. This is yours, right? Is that yours, right, Ryan?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see now. Same thing actually, you don't need to, you go in times 3. Now this one become more complex. This one become more complex. Actually, what we do right now here, okay, we combine these two lah. We can combine these two because it's 2x plus 1. So we can just do it like that. 2x plus 1. They have the same denominator. So 8x minus 9, I put 8x minus 9. You see? Is equals to, okay, equals to 3 over 1, no problem. Then down here, then you can times by 2x plus 1. You know what I mean? Let's say we put 3 lah. I think down here don't need to put, we just put 3. Down here also we times by 2x plus 1. Why you want to do that? So that you can cancel the 2x plus 1 denominator. So down here 2x plus 1. You can cancel now, cancel. So you get 8x minus 9 equals to 3 bracket 2x plus 1, is it? You get what I'm saying, right, Ryan? Can see here?
Yes.
Okay. So what about Shafi? What's your answer, Shafi? You need the question still. Okay, it's 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock. I will have to show you in exactly 2 minutes. Okay, I will show you on the board again. We'll be running out of time. So down here, x, 8x, 2x plus 1 minus 9, 2x plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, guys, you can watch this and see lah. Okay, so I combine the denominator 2x plus 1 because it's the same one. 8x minus 9 equals to 3. Then down here you can times by 2x plus 1 and times this one by 2x plus 1. Why? Whatever you times the left side must times the right side. So then you can cancel this one and you have 8x minus 9 equals to 3 times 2, 6x plus 3. Bring the 6x over, 8x minus 6x minus 9 equals to 3. Bring the minus 9 over, become plus 9. 3 plus 9 equals to 12. 8x minus 6x is 2x, 2x. 2x equals to 12, x equals to 6. 12 divided by 2. And that's what you have. Can see that, Shafi? Inshira, okay? Shafi, okay? Shafi?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay, if you all still don't understand, watch the videos, okay? Watch the videos. All right, until next time, we'll see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.